In this video, we're gonna discuss systematic sampling design. Systematic random sampling is a method for selecting a random sample by listing the entire population and picking every kth object, starting randomly with the object numbered between 1 and k. So basically, we're picking every kth element after a random starting place. So the starting place should not be too far from the beginning. We shouldn't start in the middle. So we should start between 1 and k. And the k should be a number close to the ratio between the population size and the sample size. So for example, here are 3 different examples. We have here, we're selecting every third element, starting with element 2. And so we have a sample of 4 members out of 12. Next, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 members, and we're selecting every third one, starting with element number 3. So that results in a sample size of 2. And the next example, we are selecting every second person out of 10, starting with person number 2. And that results in 4 people out of 10. Systematic sampling procedure. So first you are going to find your k value by dividing population size by a sample size, and we're going to round the result down to the nearest whole number. Then step number 2, we're going to pick a random number between 1 and k in that interval, and we're going to use our random techniques, either pulling number from a hat or computer generated number. And then step number 3, we're going to start with that number m that we came up with in step 2, and we're going to select the mth element and then go m plus k, select that element, and then m plus 2k, m plus 3k, etc., until we go through the entire list. So that's the procedure. Now, an example, we have the owner of a small convenience store in a rural area, and he wants to survey the opinion of the customers, and he expects 20 customers in the next hour. So he wants to survey 5 people. So he finds his k by dividing 20 by 5. That will give him 4. And then a computer selected a number between 1 and 4, let's say 3. So he would think about which customers would he select. I'll give you a couple of seconds. So he would select the third customer who comes in third, 7th, 11th, 15th, and 19th. Okay, systematic sampling has its advantages. The procedure doesn't require access to the entire population, but it also has its disadvantages, such as It assumes the knowledge of the population size. So that's a systematic sampling. In the next video, we're going to go about stratified sampling. I meant go over stratified sampling.